How to make a public profile on the Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can make a public profile in your Snapchat. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. Now once you're in the Snapchat, here in the top left corner there is the option of your profile. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the public profiles. From here you have to click on the my public profile. Now here you have to introducing your public profile. You can, as you can see, that here is the option to show off your best snaps, audience, reach more people, get deeper inside. You just have to press the ok, and after that, now once you are in here you have to go on the edit profile. Now from here you can preview your profile. For that you just have to click on it, and from here you can also add your profile photo. You just have to select it, and you can also add your profile information. Here you can add the bio. From here you can add the location, and here is the show subscriber count if you want to make your account above the 5k subscriber. After that you are able to toggle on it. After that you just have to go back, and as you can see that here is the option of the stories, spotlight, insights. If you add a story to your profile to highlight your favorite moments, you can add it. Now you just have to go back, and from here you have to click on this gear icon that is in the top right corner, and from here you just have to scroll down. Now once you are in, as you can see that here in the privacy controls, here is the option of the view my story. You have to click on it, and you have to change it to the everyone, and in the contact me, see me, in quick add, you just have to turn on all of these options to the everyone. And after that you are able to make your public profile on the Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.